Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about optimizing Amazon Live video and sponsored brand campaigns. Let's get into it. Maximizing visibility and conversion on Amazon requires the strategic use of all available tools, including Amazon Live Video, the influencer program, vertical content, and sponsored brand campaigns. By connecting these elements, brands can build a powerful multi-touchpoint marketing strategy. One recommended practice during a product launch is to front-load the listing with value. This includes identifying and answering the top frequently asked questions. Having these questions posted and answered on the listing not only provides clarity for customers, but also supports indexing and organic keyword relevance. To go beyond static content, Amazon's influencer program offers scalable options. Even without a large following, influencers can contribute meaningful content in exchange for the product. This is particularly effective when the content is created as short vertical video reviews. These vertical videos can then be repurposed in the Amazon Posts feed. With Amazon now allowing vertical video in posts, the content stands out and attracts higher engagement. Within the Posts dashboard, performance metrics reveal which videos are resonating most with customers. From there, high-performing videos can be repurposed inside sponsored brand video campaigns. Amazon's ad platform allows brands to link directly to a video post as their creative asset. This strategy combines authentic user-generated content with paid visibility, boosting trust and conversion rates. Additionally, Amazon has introduced AI-powered creative generation for sponsored brand campaigns. This tool enables sellers to quickly generate themed product images. After selecting ASINs, sellers can instruct the AI to generate contextual imagery, such as placing the product on a kitchen counter with related items. The generated images are high quality and suitable for immediate use in campaigns, reducing design costs and turnaround time. This AI image generation tool is especially useful for sellers managing multiple product variations or running frequent creative tests. By rapidly producing visually engaging content, it allows sponsored brand campaigns to stay fresh and aligned with seasonal or thematic promotions. If working with influencers directly, it's important to establish content usage rights. In most cases, when a video is created as part of a barter or paid collaboration, the brand retains the rights to use that content across Amazon placements and other marketing channels. To summarize, effective optimization includes preloading listings with FAQs, sourcing authentic vertical video reviews from influencers, posting these videos through Amazon Posts, identifying top performers, and repurposing them in sponsored brand video campaigns. Additionally, Amazon's AI creative generation can support sponsored brand image-based campaigns with rapid contextual visuals. This integrated approach ensures every piece of content is used to its fullest potential. It builds brand visibility, strengthens engagement, and supports consistent performance across organic and paid channels. By leveraging these tools together, sellers can create a comprehensive and efficient marketing flywheel that delivers sustained results. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.